Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Safla Khan and our course is Citizenship, Education and Community Engagement and our course code is 8606 of B.Ed 1.5 years of for Allama Iqbal Open University and our chapter is unit number 8 which is Technology, Change and Society. So let's understand this topic. First of all, its introduction. Only change is permanent in this world. Impo- the informational technology brought change in a real manner because it involves the technology. Technology significantly affect human as well as other species ability to control and adapt to their natural environment. Technology has affect society and its surroundings in a number of ways. In many societies, technology has helped to develop more advanced economies. Various implementations of technology influence the value of a society, and new technology often raises new ethical questions. Examples include the rise of the notion of efficiency in terms of human productivity, a term originally applied only to machines, and the challenges of traditional norms. Students, now we're going to understand about technological change and society. Technology is the making, usage, and knowledge of tools, machines, techniques, crafts, systems, or methods of organizing in order to solve a problem or perform a specific function. It can also refers to the collection and utilization of such tools, machinery, and procedures. Technology and society refer to cyclical co-dependence, co-influence, co-production of technology and society up to the other technology upon culture and vice versa. This synergy relationship occurs from the dawn of human making humankind to with the invention of simple tools and continues into modern technologies such as the printing press and computers. Students, now we're going to understand about new topic educational technology and change. Educational technology, the incorporation of information technology into the learning experience is a term that continues to evolve alongside technological advancement in the field. E-learning refers to the specific kind of a learning experienced within the domain of educational technology which can be used in order out of the classroom. This distance learning, computer-based training and social networking tools are just a few examples of e-learning. Technology in the classroom is doing just that, keeping students stimulated by using the latest and greatest invention in computers and digital media. Students, are we going to understand about in instructional technology and technologies, instruction techniques and technologies. Problems based learning, projects based learning and inquiries based learning are activity learning. Educational technology is used to facilitate learning as well as learning in social context. All three are student concerned identically involving real world scenarios in which Students are actively encouraged in critical thinking activities. Technologies which include physical and process applied science can be incorporated in project problem inquiry based learning, as they all have similar educational psychology. The process the students are encouraged to employ is considered to be technology. Next, now we're going to understand about sources of technology change. There are subsequent three sources of technology change. Number one, research and development, which is we can say R&D. In this, there is one part is basic research and other is applied research. And the second point is learning by doing. And number three is spillover. So now, students, we are going to study about technology and jobs. Technology is assumed to be neutral, being developed on the basis of efficiency and use value, but there is considered evaluation to support an alternative view that technology is developed to serve the particular need of certain group in society, especially powerful groups such as corporations and government bodies. Research and development R&D designed and engineers may lead to greater production and new jobs which they meet an adequate demand, and when they are not confined to replace old goods. Technology change, on the other hand, tends to replace labor, with capital often leading to productivity growth and job losers. Since I will going to understand about new topic, which is now continue. Improve communication, human capital, efficiency, mobility, employee workload, account, account accommodations. So now we're going to understand about impact of computer technology on jobs. Computer technology has had a major impact on the working world. This include improved and expanded communication, provided more work opportunities for the disabled, reduction paperwork, provide for expanding learning and creating a more collaborative work environment. Technologies change and its impact of the workforce has become a focus on attention nowadays. The innovation include advanced communication community communication systems, industrial robots, flexible manufacturing systems, computer assist design CAD, computer assists manufacturing CAM, computer assist instruction CAI, computer medicated instructions CMI, and computer management system CMS. Students, now we're going to understand about computer programming and jobs. The control of technology and jobs to serve the interests of powerful groups can be illustrated in the area of computer programs. Until about 1965, almost all computer programs were self-trained. Learning on the jobs were not were learning on the jobs were never found to be a difficulty, but in recent years it has been increasingly difficult to learn on the job, since it is difficult to get a job without understanding fairly lengthy formal training. Students, now we're going to learn about computer program and jobs. There has also been more than there has been more and more restrictions on what a person is allowed to do in relation to computer. Formerly, people who work programs also punches their cards and supervised the running of their programs on the computer. They knew which they knew much about the physical equipments equipment and software and its particulars become this knowledge was useful to them and become the information was readily available. So let's now we're going to learn about education employment online. Adminvest EduWised represents an online learning and technology platform that is uh, becoming increasingly popular with educators who are looking for a break or to diversify their knowledge and expertise of their subject, and for students who are looking for a unique tutoring experience. Teachers look forward for a diverse online teaching employment will be sure to find one here. These platforms who work differently with regard to technology, so it's become to research and perhaps experiment accordingly. Technical issues might be another consideration, as well as differences in time zones as some students lives in other parts of the world. Students, now we're going to understand about organization of technology. Today, presentation based technology based on the idea that people can learn through oral and visual re- repetition existing in many forms. Example, streaming audio and video, or PowerPoints presentations with voice over. The 1950s led to the two major still popular designs. Skinner's work led to the programmed instructions, focusing on the formation of behavior objectives, breaking instruction content to into small units, and rewards correct responses earlier and often advocating a mystery approach to learn based on his taxonomy of intellectual behavior. Bloomy endorsed institutions technologies that varies both instructions and time according to learner requirements. Students, now we're going to study about a internal technology development in this establishing the process, analysis of the actual state, creation of alternative opinions, planning of the interventions, qualification for participations. Technology change. Students, now we're going to understand about new topic, which is technological change and its impact on Pakistani society. So what it is, schools are undergoing a major transformation as they transition to a digital learning environment. Teachers are able to use actionable information to personalization learning based on individual students' learning needs and styles. In Pakistan, technology is greatly affected our schools and community. Communication, lifestyle, cause of skills shortage in complex industrialization, urbanization, and modernizations. So now we're going to understand about development of the meaning of transport and communication. Development of transport and communication has led to the national and international trade on a large scale. The road Transport, the train service, the ship, and the aerospace have eased the movement of man and material goods. Post and trucks, radio and television, newspapers and magazine, telephones and wireless and the like has developed a great deal. The space research and the launching of the satellites for communication purpose has further added to these developments. There has helped the people belonging to different corners of the Pakistan or the world to has regular contacts. Friends, now we're going to understand about new topic, that is transformation in the economy and the evaluation of the new social classes. The introduction of the factor system of the production has turned the agriculture economy into industrial economy. The industrial or the capitalistic economy has divided the social organization into two predominant classes, the capitalist class and the working class. These two classes are always at conflict due to mutual opposite interest. In the course of the time, an intermediary class called the middle class has evolved. Students, now we're going to learn about environment. Technology provides an understanding and an appropriation for the world around us. Most modern technological process produce unwanted byproduct in addition to the desired products, which is known as industrial waste and pollution. While most material waste is rusted in the industrial process, many forms are realized into the environment which negative environment side and factors such as pollution and lack of sustainability. Different social and political systems establish different balances between the value they place on additional goods versus the disvalue of waste produces and pollution. And now the topic is continue. We are going to study about it. Some technologies are designed specifically with the environment in mind, but most are designed first for economic ironic effects. Historically, the value of clear environment and more effective productive processes have been the result of an increase in the wealth and society, because people are able to provide for their basic need. They are able to focus on less tangible goods such as clean air and water.